Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Kaniqua, and if you clicked on this video, you already know what it's going to be about, but I'm still tell y'all I'm about to straighten my natural hair. I'm super excited because I haven't straightened my hair in like a year and a half. So that's a long time for me. That's the longest I actually went without straight hair. And you know what? I was rocking the natural styles and I was loving it. I love my big old poof. I love my curls. All the natural girls, y'all know what's up. But anyhow, it's just time to straighten it because my goal was to go a whole year and I went way over a year. So now I'm about to straighten it and see how long it is. And also, I don't know if some of you guys seen, I straightened my hair like 2 years ago and I did a video and it got over 8 million views and I was so stoked and I was excited. I'm like, oh my God, this many people wanted to see my hair get straightened. And it was pretty cool, so I'm like, let me do another video. And I'm back, y'all. It's been a while, but this is my hair all blown out. This is how it looks. This is the blow dry. To wash my hair, I use these two products right here. This is the shampoo and the conditioner. It's by Whole Blends. I love this conditioner. It's very moisturizing. And right now, when I blow dry my hair, I definitely had to use heat protectant. So I used the Trailmade heat protectant to blow dry. And I use this as my leave-in, which is Carol's daughter. It's the black vanilla hair sheen. And then I'm just about to get it straightened. And I'm still going to use my heat protectant because I'm not trying to get no heat damage. So I'm going to use this for the straight hair too. And we're about to get into the straight hair process. But let me give y'all a quick full view. Oh, and another thing I noticed too, my ends are very raggedy, but like I said, it's been a while since, you know, I had a cut or straightened it or anything like that. And also, can you guys tell that this side is way longer? My hair has always grown longer on the left side than the right, and it's kind of like very noticeable. This was like up here and this one's down here. So I'm going to make sure I get a nice cut because I know I'm going to need it. But yeah, we're about to hop into the straight hair process, so let's get started. For the flat irons, we're going to be using the Baby Bliss Pro Prima 3000. Looks like this. So yeah, we're about to get started. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich. Dizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich. Dizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich. Dizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich. Drizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich. Drizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich. Drizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich. I'm rich.
On my mind, succeeded with hope, and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be. But our love is what they talk about in movies. Our
Kaniqua, so how are you feeling so far about having your hair straightened? Halfway there. Alright, y'all, so I feel like, I guess it's bittersweet. I have been wanting straight hair, but at the same time, I've been loving my natural hair and how healthy it was getting. So now I feel like I really hope I don't have heat damage at the end of this. So I'm a little worried. So that's my feelings. It's kind of mixed feelings right now. But I am happy about the length too. As you guys can see, look at this. Are you showing it? It's grown a lot. And I'm surprised because I didn't think it was going to look this long because I just didn't think it was going to look this long because I was actually snipping and chopping a little bit, just trying to get rid of heat damage. So I'm like, I'm not focused on it, just on the health of my hair. But at the same time, it was still got some length on me. So
it was growing.
Yeah, it was still growing. But I was cutting it, so I thought I wasn't going to see any length. But yes, I'm seeing it. Also, guys, I still need to cut because, like I said, this side is way longer than this side. So I'm going to have to make them even. But we're about to finish it off.
I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. Say rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. Smelling like Versace rich. Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich. Smelling like Versace rich. Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich. Smelling like Versace rich. Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich.